Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use numpy with lambda functions effectively. We'll start by understanding what lambda functions are, followed by how to integrate them with numpy operations for efficient array manipulations. What is a lambda function? A lambda function is a small anonymous function defined using the lambda keyword. It can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. The syntax is: lambda functions are often used in conjunction with higher order functions like map, filter, and reduce. They can also be employed within numpy operations to apply custom functions on arrays. Numpy overview. Numpy is a powerful library for numerical computations in Python. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and many mathematical functions to operate on these data structures. Example 1, Basic usage of lambda functions with numpy. Let's start with a simple example where we will use a lambda function to square each element of a numpy array. Explanation. We first import the numpy library. We create a numpy array ARR containing integers from 1 to 5. We use the map function along with a lambda function lambda x, x2 to square each element of the array. The result is converted back into a numpy array. Example 2, using lambda with numpy's np.vectorize. Numpy provides a convenient function called np.vectorize that allows you to apply a function to each element in an array. This is especially useful for applying lambda functions. Explanation. We use np.vectorize to create a vectorized version of our lambda function that squares an input value. This vectorized function can then be applied directly to the numpy array, resulting in a new array where each element is squared. Example 3, using lambda for conditional operations. We can also use lambda functions for conditional operations. For instance, let's create an array that contains only the even numbers from another array. Explanation. We create a Boolean filter using a lambda function that checks if each number is even, x%2 == 0. We then use this filter to index the original array, resulting in a new array containing only even numbers. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered how to use lambda functions in conjunction with the numpy library for efficient array manipulations. We explored basic applications, vectorization, and conditional filtering. Lambda functions are a powerful tool that can simplify code and enhance readability when working with numpy arrays. Feel free to experiment with these examples and modify the lambda functions to suit your needs.